Hi guys, welcome to SmartGAN. I hope you will enjoy the learning with SmartGAN. Today we will learn how to solve problems of crypt arithmetics based on Infosys pattern. Yes, in this video we will learn crypt arithmetic problems based on Infosys pattern. Important points: every letter or character must be a unique and distinct value, that is from 0 to 9. Yes, maximum we can take 10 digits, that is 0 and 1 to 9. 10 values we can use from each or every letter, and the value of letter or character will remain same. It cannot be changed, will remain same in the whole process, and starting letter cannot be 0. For example, we cannot write 0, 7, 8, 9, only it will be given 7, 8, 9. Any problem will have a unique solution, only and only one solution. Sum of any digit added twice is always even. For example, 4 plus 4, 2 even digit numbers, that is 8. 3 plus 3, 2 odd digit numbers, also sum is even. This is important, keep in your mind, this will help you a lot. In case of addition of two digits, if there is any carry out, then the carry out can only be 1. Why? Because sum of any two single digits can be either 18 or less than 18. For example, if you take the highest value, that is 9 plus 9, sum will be 18, the carried out value is 1. Then a plus b, if a given, then the possible value of b will be either 0 or 9. Yes, if there is no carry, the value of b is 0, but if there is carry, then the value of b is 9. Yes. For example, that is 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, that is a plus b is equal to a. This is, in this case, value of b is equal to 0, but if there is no carry, here is no carry, but when there will be any carry, for example 6, then a value 6 and b value something, once again it is coming 6. How? When there is a carry, some carry, and carry can be, what is maximum? Carry can be maximum 1. So that is the value of will be b will be 9. 9, 6, 15 plus 1, 16. Yes, then same 6 is coming. So what is the conclusion? When a plus b is equal to a, then possible value of b is either 0 or 9. Possible either 0 or 9. When there is no carry, value is 0. When there is carry of 1, value will be 9. This is an important point, or you can say trick, to use in the process. Let us move to examples. 2 plus go is equal to out. Let us represent the problem in a convenient way. 2 plus go, 2 digit number plus another 2 digit number is equal to out a 3 digit number. So here this last digit o is carried out value, it has been carried from the previous column, from this column. So this carried out value will be 1. We have discussed in our point that carried out value of o will be 1. Why? Because sum of any two single digit numbers can be maximum 18 or less than that, that's why carried out value will be 1. So t plus g can be maximum 18, that's why carried out value of o will be 1. When we got the value of o as 1, substitute here in this column 1, o also 1, 1 plus 1, so value of t we got 2. So when we got value of t as 2, substitute here also, that is t as 2, t plus g is equal to u, and here what can the carried out value of u? T plus g is equal to u, that is 2 plus g is equal to u. What can be the possible value of u? U is unit digit of a 2 digit number. U is the unit digit of a 2 digit number. So 2 plus g, what can the value of g? So that we can obtain here in the sum a 2 digit number of which we will have a carried out value 1 and another digit u. So 2 plus g, if you take 2 plus g 9 is equal to 11, but when 11 is coming sum, value of u becomes 1, but already we have got value of o as 1, that is why we cannot take the value of g as 9. So this is rejected. Then 2 plus 8, the next one, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Yes, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10, that is value of u is equal to 0 and 1 carried value. So u is equal to 0, but if you go below this, below 8, that is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, a single digit number. So this is not possible, we need a 2 digit number. That is why we got value of g as 8 and value of u is 0. So this trick, this is easiest of the problems. Try to understand the trick how to proceed. This will help you to apply in other moderate or higher problems. So we obtain 21 plus 81 is equal to 102. Coming to question, value of o is 1, value of u 0, t 2. So 1 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 3. Choice B is your answer. Let us move to next problem. Eat plus that is equal to apple. Represent this in a suitable way. Eat plus that, T H A T, is equal to apple, A P P L E. So here what can be the approach? Then where we have to target first? First we have to target the carried out value, that is A. So carried out value of A will be 1. We have discussed this in the previous question, that is A is carried out value and carried out value can be maximum 1. A is equal to 1, and then this way value of T will be 9, because T plus here just above T is nothing, blank. So T plus nothing is equal to P. T plus nothing should be T itself, but as value is getting changed, so there is some carried out value from the previous column. Carried out value from the previous column, that can be maximum how much? 1. So T, that is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. That is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 0 carried 1. So here we have carried 1 from the previous column. Then when we got T value as 9, why? Because we need a carried out value. If you make the value of T less than 9, that is 1 plus 8, that is 9 will be single digit number. That is why here the value is 9. Always remember this, when there is nothing in this any column, only single digit, and in sum we get something different. So the value of that digit is 9. That is 1 plus T is equal to 10. Always the value will be 9. And here we got value of T as 9, P as 0. So substitute the values, P 0, T here 9, here 9. So 9 plus 9, 18, value of E we got 8, carry 1. So value of A is 1, we have obtained earlier, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is value of L is 3. So here in this column there is no carried out value, simply straight you have to proceed, that is value of E is 8 plus H, here is no carried out value in this column, E 8 plus H is equal to 0, then 8 plus dash is equal to 0, a 2 digit number with 0 as unit place. So basically it will be 8 plus 2, 10, that is value of H we got 2, that is what is the final values, that is 8 1 9 9 2 1 9 9 2 1 9 is equal to 1 0 0 3 8. Yes, this is your final value. Then coming to question, value of A is 1, P 0, then L 3, E 8. So then final sum will be 8 plus 3 11 plus 1, that is 12. So sum is 12, answer C. Next, it is given your plus u is equal to heart. Let us represent the problem in a convenient way. Your y o u r plus u is equal to heart, h plus e plus a h e a r t. Your plus u given as heart. So here what can the value of h? Value of h as is a carried out value can be 1. We have discussed this in previous question 1, and value of y will be 9, because 9 plus nothing should be 9 itself, that is y plus nothing should be y, but it is something different, e is coming. So y plus something means there is some carried out value from the previous column, and the carried out value can be maximum 1. As we know, the sum of any two digits, any two single digits can be 18 or less. So carried out value can be maximum 1. So 1 plus 9, 10. That's why value of e is equal to 0, 10, 0, carried out 1 here. So we got value of h as 1, e 0, y 9, and here substitute the value of y as 9, and at the same time also substitute the values given here. O as 4 given, O as 4. Then assuming that in this column there is no carried value, 4 plus 9 is 13. Assume that there is no carried value in this column from the previous column. So 4 plus 9, 13, 3, carried 1, it is justified. Then come to next other values. Before that, let us try to eliminate. So what are the digits you substitute? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have used 0, 1, 4, 3, 9. 0, 1, 3, 4, 9 we have already used. Then coming to this, u plus 4 is equal to r. So u plus 4 is equal to r. What can be u plus 4 is equal to r? That is, if you add anything, u plus 4, 4 plus anything you add, 4 plus, here is no carried value, assuming that. So 4, if you 4 plus 5, make it 4 plus 5 as value of u as 5, 9, already value of y is 9 there, that is why 5 cannot be taken, it is rejected. Then 4 plus 6, 10, and onwards all 4 plus 6 or 7 or anything else up to 8 will give 2 digit number. So there will be carried value. So assume this, there is no carried value. So 4 plus 2 is only possibility, that is value of u as 2. So 2 plus 4, value of r we got 6. So 4 plus 2, 6, a single digit value. Then substitute the value of r as 6, 6 plus u is equal to t. What can the value of this? 6 plus u, and here as there is no carried value also in this column, so assume that 6 plus u is equal to a single digit number. 6 plus, if you go for anything else, 6, 6, 7, 8, anything, 6 plus anything else, 7, 8, it will be 2 digit number, either 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 6 plus 7, that is 13, 6 plus 8, 14. So 6 plus 2 is only justified, 6 plus 2, value of u as 2, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So now cross check once again, 6 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 4, 6, then 4 plus 9, 13, 3, carried 1, 1 plus 9, 10. Yes, this is your final figure. Then coming to the question, find the value of y plus u plus r plus e. Value of y is 9, u 2, then r as 6, e 0. So value will be 9 plus 2, 11 plus 6, 17. Answer is choice B. By this time, I hope you must have been able to understand how to approach and what is the trick to proceed. Yes, it is given USSR plus USA is equal to peace. What is the value of P plus E plus A plus C plus E? This is an assignment for you. Try to solve yourself and comment me in the comment box about its answer. Also, I will bring its solution in the next video just after this, but I will insist you to solve the problem and comment its answers, and when I post the video, I check your answers with the solution. Thank you all. I hope you must have been enjoying learning with SmartGyan. Thank you all.